Prana, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Pranakitupurni. So today the vlog is about my husband went Malaysia. So what are the things he got for me? So I'm going to show you. There is so many surprising things for me. Actually I saw that already. He also, I will show you and I'll tell you. Okay, so let's go. Let's see. We start from the Prana's thing. Okay, Prana, say hi. Hi. Hi, Gide. Hi. Okay. Okay. We will show you dress. Okay. This is Prana's dress. He got from Bangkok. This one. This is looks like too big. इधर ऐसे ऑन करो This is the dress. It looks so beautiful. Okay. And the dress of Prana. Let's start. What is this? Is this show? Okay. We'll show to our viewers. This is another one beautiful. Looks like Cinderella dress. So beautiful. It's so beautiful. I like the dress, but I like the cloth also. The cloth also cotton. This is not the material. Yeah, inside it is cotton. Looks nice. I like it. Other things also. Bangkok and Thailand ka magnetic some, I don't know that. Okay. And this is his dress. I'm not going to show. He will. He's from Bosch, I think so. Bogi. Some brand. And the dress. It's a mini perfume from Victoria's Secret. Mama. ଏଠି ବସ ଏଠି ଦେଖେଇବା ଆମେ ଏଟା କଣ ଦେଖିଲେ ଖୋଲିଲେ ଏଟା କଣ This is from Victoria's Secret night show and short night dress. Look. Beautiful, and cloth is so smooth. I like this. And this is the pant. So big. And there is a bag from Victoria's Secret. Such a huge bag. It's not for me. My mother-in-law going to use. I can't use because it's so big. Such a very. And another one thing from Victoria's Secret. I think, should I show or not? Should I show you or not? But it's really beautiful and nice. The Razia from Victoria's Secret. The colors is very awesome. I like that. Hello. This is it. I can't able to show too much. And this is one perfume. Premium. This is the perfume. This is the perfume. And another one special thing in this dabba is nice sound. Another one thing is no, please. I don't want that. This is a bag, but it looks like a dress. The smallest bag. And here is the another one new thing. My husband got for me camera. Actually, he unboxed this already. I also unboxed this, but for the showing you, I opened this. So from today onwards, I am going to make video in this. And they are there. And another one is this. That's the wires. The camera's wires. Here is the camera base. This is the Indian. I can use in India and some of in Europe, some of in German, different ways. And camera belt. This is it. And this is a full of bag. Hey. And this is raincoat. So I open. And then flashlight for our bigger camera. We have another one camera. For that, this is the flashlight. I don't need any camera actually. My husband wants it. Look. Okay. There's another two raincoat, and this is eye cleaning solution something. This is not for me. Oh, and this is microphone. Mic. DJ का microphone. ऐसे लगा बस बात करो. And another one thing, dear glasses. Look at it. This is another one thing. A champagne. You can see. Nowadays we like champagne. From the airport itself we got a jean, I think so. He already informed me. The Japanese craft jean. Yeah, this is it. He bought for us. So yeah, I shown you everything whatever he bought for us, for her and for me, and for him also he bought. This is it for today. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Do subscribe, like and share if you like my video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.